How does STP work and why is it important? Standardized flow references define the temperature and pressure conditions for which the flow reading is calculated. This allows flows measured under different conditions to be expressed according to a common standard. Temperature and pressure affect the density of flow, so it's important to have standardized flow references to keep your readings accurate and comparable. Being able to change the standardized flow references gives you the ability to measure flow accurately in many different environments and systems, and to match your Alicat to other instruments without a factory service. It's this easy. Press Menu and select Basic Config. Select STP/NTP and, using the up-down buttons, select a category from the displayed list. Press Change to access the parameters display. Use the Select Digit and up-down buttons to make your changes and press Set. You can also change the reference units for temperature or pressure by selecting Ref Temp units or Ref Pressure units. Alicat's flow controllers are designed to make your processes easier, no matter what STP reference you use. From Alicat, the fastest flow controller company in the world.